we have here cube of difference. So let me remind you the formula when we have a minus b to third power. This is equal a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. In our example, a is equal 2x and b is equal 3y. So now we have to only substitute to our formula a by 2x, b by 3y, and we will have solution to our problem. So first we have a cube, so will be 2x to third power minus, we have to copy 3. Next we have a squared, so it will be 2x to second power and times b, so times 3y. Next we have plus 3, we have to copy, a is 2x, b squared, so we have 3y to second power and minus b to third power, so it will be 3y to third power. This is equal, we have multiplication in the first parenthesis, it means we have to raise to third power 2 and x, so 2 to third power times x to third power minus, first what we can do, we can multiply 3 times 3, so it will be 9, and next we have 2x to second power, so we have to raise to second power 2 and x to second power, and we have times y, plus 3 times 2 give me 6x, and next we have to raise 3y to second power, it means I have to raise 3 to second power and y to second power. And minus, now we have 3y to third power, so 3 to third power and y to third power. So this is equal, 2 to third power is 8, x cubed we have to copy, minus 9 we will rewrite, and 2 to second power, so it will be times 4 x squared y, plus, next we have 6x, 3 to second power, so it will be times 9, and we have y to second power, minus 3 to third power, so this is 3 times 3 times 3, so this is 27y cubed we have to copy, so this is equal, we have 8x cubed minus 9 times 4 is 36x squared y, plus 6 times 9 is 54xy squared, and we have minus 27y cubed. This is my solution.